Today is another exciting day here. Yesterday I actually picked up my new Canon EOS M50. And today I thought that I would go out and test it out, so the next footage is gonna be with this one. Well, I'm already filming with this Canon EOS M50, but yeah, I'm gonna test it out anyway. So I just wanted to give my final thoughts on the Canon EOS M50. So the things I really like about my new camera is that it does have a hot shoe, so I'm able to get an external microphone, which is currently on the way. I have ordered the Rode Video Micro for this from Amazon, so I'm waiting for that one and hopefully it will arrive soon. The internal microphone is quite good as well, so that's what I'm filming with right now. I don't have an external microphone on it at the moment. And another great feature about this camera is the grip. I really like that it's very sturdy and just better and more ergonomic than on my M10, which was like a really flat camera. It was a bit smaller as well, but still this is a very tiny camera, so I can squeeze it in a lot of places. So I also tried out the Canon 55 to 200mm lens. The lens was good. It did take like a good quality video and the photos were also quite good. I don't think I'm going to use that lens that much, so I'll probably end up selling the lens if I just notice that I don't use it, because I rather have like lenses that I do use more. The 15 to 45mm lens that I'm currently filming with, it's a good all-around lens. At least for me, it's like good for my purposes. It's not the greatest lens, and the aperture is not like best. It's from 3.5 to 6.3. Still, I would like to have an additional lens with greater aperture, so something like 1.4 or 1.8 or 2. So I might get the Canon EOS M22mm lens, I think it is. I might also get an adapter for the EOS M lenses, so that's what I might do, but we'll see. All in all, I'm very happy with my purchase and I'm going to use this a lot. So I'm going to be selling my Canon EOS M10, and from now I'm just going to film with the M50, which I'm very excited about. I do think that this is a good camera or a good option for anyone who is looking for a more affordable and just easy to use camera for filming and maybe some photos as well. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!